This is Keep On Pushing TV with Devon Harris.
Improv is about, for those in your audience that may not be familiar with improvisation, there's no script, there's no rehearsal, there's no plan. Everything happens right there in real time. So it's all about choices, right? Choices. You're trying to choose, what you want to do. You're choosing what you're saying. You're choosing what's happening. And so when you're making those choices, right, you're trying to find success. As a team, you're trying to find success. You're meeting your objective, which is to make the audience laugh or to create something. And so just like when we talk about career, it is all choices. What are your choices? And is everything going to happen in one day? No. Is everything going to happen in a week? No. It's taking those little steps, and you realize how far you've come. You realize you do a little something each day to move the goal forward to where you want to be, to what you want to do. And, figuring that out and moving toward that is part of the process, and it takes time. One of my key messages that I talk about is staying in the game. Improv taught me you can do anything you want in improv. You can make a mistake. You can say something stupid. I've done it many, many times. I've probably already done it today with you, Devon, right?
I'm actually keeping count.
Are you keeping count? I'm sure. I make mistakes all the time. You got to own them. You got to own those mistakes. And you know what? You're going to make mistakes. That's what improv is about. You can't be afraid to make those mistakes. You learn from them and you move forward. And the key message there is to stay in the game. If you stay in the game, you're going to find a way to be successful in improvisation. You're going to find a way. Somebody says something that doesn't work. Somebody says something that didn't make sense or went off track. But if you stay in the game, you're going to find a way for that game to be successful. And you take it to our work lives, what we're trying to accomplish, whatever our goals are, objectives. As long as we stay in the game, we're going to find success. It might not be tomorrow. It might not be next week. It might not even be next month. But if we stay in the game, success is guaranteed. If you quit, the guarantee is you fail. And I'm not saying quit your job. I'm saying we quit goals, initiatives, challenges. If we quit, you're guaranteed you fail. If you stay in the game, success is there. And that means you have to learn something new or get out of your comfort zone or work harder. But it is there if you want it. You just have to stay in the game.